Welcome to this video. Today we'll guide you through on how to make embedded messages on Discord. So today I'm going to show you a method on how you can create embedded messages. So the first thing you have to do is go to your server settings. To do that, go to the top left corner and click on your server dropdown. Then click on server settings. Once you're on server settings, on the left side you'll see a list of options. Select the option that says integrations. Then on the integrations page, you'll see the first option that says webhooks. Click on that. Then once on webhooks, you'll create a new webhook. And this is the one that's created. It's called Captain Hook. Click on it. Then you can name it whatever you want. I like the name, so I'll leave it as that. Then you need to select the channel that you want the webhook to work on. So I'm going to select embedded messages example as a channel. Then once I've selected the channel, I will click on Save Changes. So now we've finished our work from the Discord side. So now we need to go to our browser and open a website called message.style. And once the website is opened up, we need to click on the option that says Open App. Now that the message.style has opened up, what we need to do is copy and paste the webhook URL. So we'll go back to Discord and here's the webhook URL. Here's a button for it. Click on copy webhook URL. Go back to the generator and paste it here. Now that you've pasted the webhook here, the messages you've edited here will be sent to the Discord channel. And if you scroll down, you'll see different options. So here is the content. This is your message. And if you scroll down, you'll see a drop down that says embeds. And if you click on embed 1, you'll see this is an embedded message on the bottom. So to test it out, we'll scroll up and click on send message. And if we go back to Discord, close this and open embedded messages example channel, you'll see that the message has been embedded and has been sent. So if you want to change what is embedded here, all you have to do is go back to the website and change the description here. For instance, I'm going to say, change this into hi Discord. And I'm going to change this color to red, pink. Then I'm going to click on send message. And if I go back to Discord, so as you can see, the first embed has been changed, and this is how you embed messages on Discord. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.